First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, we're seeing some rounds of showers in the area this morning, and especially overnight, very early this morning. Now things are tapered off or have tapered off just a little bit, but we're not done. There's another wave or so of showers still to come, and maybe even tomorrow too as we look at First Alert live Doppler radar. Pretty quiet for now, but we're watching some shower activity down Interstate 40. As you can see, a little cluster of thunderstorms there just a little bit north of Jackson, Tennessee, and those are headed off to the north and east. All that is coming our direction. So places like Hopkinsville, maybe the land between the lakes, will see that cluster of thunderstorms. You see the lightning strikes with that. Nothing severe with that just yet, but given the fact that we're going to see some sunlight this morning breaking through the overcast sky, that will aid in the instability here before those storms get to the southern Kentucky area, and that could cause a few of those thunderstorms to become maybe strong with the potential for some damaging winds and hail. So we'll keep an eye on these as we go through the morning, and we may see more development like this. As we check things out here as far as precipitation totals, this courtesy of the Kentucky Mesonet Network. Since midnight, 0.11 of an inch of rain in Burkesville. That seems to be around the area the most, except for Albany. They did pick up 0.02 there, so they have the most there in Clinton County. Otherwise, we see anything around less than 1/10 of an inch of rain, including 0.06 of an inch of rain here in Bowling Green. All that since midnight last night. Temperatures right now mainly in the low 50s to around the mid 50s, upper 40s. Off to the north and west of us, Calhoun and McLean County checking in with 49 degrees. Looking live down Scottsville Road this morning, we see from our AAA Systems weather cam at Independence Bank a very cloudy start and a little bit of light drizzle or just some mist out there this morning. And the temperature at 53 degrees. Currently east winds at 8, 99% humidity, falling pressure. The view now from Western's Downing University Center, seeing the overcast sky, 53 degrees. As we check the weather cam from Greenville, this is the HD weather cam from Muhlenberg County. 51 is your temperature. You've picked up 0.02 of an inch of rain there in Muhlenberg County from the Mesonet site. And Russellville checking in with 53 degrees and cloudy with 0.03 of an inch of rain since midnight. Hometown forecast today presented by the Kentucky Lottery focuses on the Nolin River Lake area. Litchfield, you'll see a high today of 61, 63 for Brownsville, and 62 for Munfordville. By the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot for Wednesday night estimated to be at $80 million. The Mega Millions drawing estimated at $15 million. Down south is where the trouble spot is this morning. This is Mississippi, most of Alabama under flood watches in the red shaded areas, flood warnings. The lighter shade of red here indicates a tornado watch is kind of underneath that big area of flooding and flood warnings all the way down to New Orleans, Mobile. There was a tornado spotted outside of Jackson, Mississippi this morning around the Collins area with this line of thunderstorms as it came through very early this morning. And now some of the worst weather around Mobile Bay, just southeast of Birmingham. A little bow echo there causing some problems and a few severe thunderstorm warnings. This is not the system that's going to affect us necessarily. All the really nasty weather with that's further south and east. It's this cluster of thunderstorms in southern Missouri and northeastern Arkansas that is moving now into West Tennessee and will be making its way into southern Kentucky. And the thing we're going to watch for here is how much breaks in the cloud cover can we get to aid in that instability before this area of low pressure in the cold front passes through later today. Now, if we do get some sunshine, we could see some stronger thunderstorms before the day is over. We get a break for tonight, but here comes another system that will slide in here for tomorrow. It, too, will give us a round of showers and perhaps a few thunderstorms as we go through Tuesday afternoon and evening. But behind that, a little bit cool for Wednesday, but then things start to warm up as we get toward the end of the week. Scattered showers, even a few thunderstorms today. 63, then down to 40 tonight under a partly cloudy sky with a few isolated showers. Tomorrow, that next wave of showers and thunderstorms comes through with a high of 60, and we stay around 60 and mostly sunny for Wednesday, but we warm things up Thursday all the way through the weekend. Highs will be in the low to mid 70s, a chance of showers for Friday afternoon.